Okay, so I have found a very good recipe for a salt and pepper mix with garlic powder and onion powder that lasts forever. I mean, just a little bit of this stuff goes a very long way, because what we have is the pink salt, which is super salty, tons of minerals in that. We have black peppercorns we're going to mix in. We have the new salt, the potassium chloride salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we put it all in a coffee grinder, and get that mixed up, and there we go. You know, I'm going to tell you what, a little bit of this goes such a long way. This will last you a month or two. I mean, it's really that potent. So, all right, there's the salt and pepper mix for your eggs and for your meat or for whatever. Enjoy.